Here's how to paste in place, paste in front or paste in back in Adobe Illustrator. So here I have 3 circles, and let's say I want to copy this purple circle right here. If I simply use the normal command like Ctrl or Command C to copy it, and Ctrl or Command V to paste it, the purple circle would simply be pasted in the middle of this canvas. And that might not be what we want, because often we just want a copy right on top or right beneath the original shape. And now let me show you how to do that. So let's just delete this circle. So what you want to do is simply to select the shape you want to copy. Then you can click Ctrl or Command C to copy it, or you can go to Edit and go to Copy right here. After that, we want to go to Edit again, and we have these options right here. We can either paste it like we just did, where you simply paste it in the middle of the canvas. The next option is Paste in Front, which for me is usually the option I choose. So let's try this option. And it seems like nothing happens, but as you can see right here, when I move this, it made a copy just on top of this purple circle right here, but still beneath this front circle right here. So paste in front will make a copy just on top of the shape you want to copy. Now let's delete this circle. And let's select the purple shape again, click Ctrl C to copy it, and now let's go to Edit and try Paste in Back. And just as before, it doesn't look like anything is happening. But if I move this one, you can see that it made a copy just beneath this purple shape, but not beneath all the shapes, because this is still the bottom shape. So now let's try Paste in Place. Once again, we copy it with Ctrl C or Command C, then go to Edit, and we can now try Paste in Place. And by the way, if you want to use the hotkeys, you see them right here. And on Mac, you simply replace Ctrl with Command and Shift with Options. So now let's try Paste in Place. And as you can tell right here, Paste in Place will place the copy on top of all the shapes. If I move this one, you can tell that this is the original shape, which is placed in the middle of these 2 shapes. But the copy was placed right on top of all the shapes. This is the only difference between Paste in Front and Paste in Place. Now you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.